Welcome to Create Validation Rules. In this unit, we'll explore the world of validation rules in Salesforce. By the end of this module, you'll be equipped to describe use cases for validation rules, list their elements, and create your own rules. Let's dive into the fundamentals of validation rules. Validation rules serve as the gatekeepers of your data, ensuring that information entered by users aligns with the standards you set before it gets saved. These rules often contain formulas or expressions that evaluate data, returning a verdict of true or false. When a validation rule returns true, it signals that the entered data violates the specified criteria. Additionally, you can include error messages to guide users when their input doesn't meet the required standards, contributing to maintaining high-quality data. Let's break down the elements of a validation rule. These rules can be applied to objects, fields, campaign members, or case milestones. Now let's explore a couple of practical use cases. For instance, you might want to ensure that account numbers are numeric, dates fall within the current year, or numeric values adhere to a specific range. These rules act as data guardians, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Now, let's see how you can create a validation rule in Salesforce. Start by defining the criteria using a formula or expression. Specify conditions that, when met, trigger the validation. Add informative error messages to guide users when their input doesn't align with the established standards. Remember, effective validation rules contribute to the integrity of your data, making sure it's accurate and reliable. Go to the Setup icon and click Setup button. It will load the Setup page. On the Setup page, go to Object Manager. Quick Find for Account, click Account. In the left bar, go to the Validation Rules. In the Validation Rules, click on New button. It will open Account Validation Rule. Now give your desired rule name, then give your validation rule description. In the error condition formula, give your validation formula you want to set. In the error message, you can set your custom error message. To ensure the correctness of our formula, click on Check Syntax to verify there are no errors. Click Save to finish. And that's it. You've successfully created a validation rule in Salesforce. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.